electroencephalogram. This is the third and certainly the best. It is also what they call a BCE, which is a brain-computer interface. There's a bunch of little things I can do to utilize this headset and my control of brain waves to
consciousness controlling craft.
Yes.
And you're having a tough time back injuring, besides not having the right materials.
The machine itself is a conscious entity. So the hull, the fuselage of Tic Tac is a special kind of metamaterial, which also, it turns out, is a conscious computer. It's a conscious artificial intelligence, artificial neural network. The metamaterial is kind of like the brain, like neurons in a brain, the metamaterial. So the metamaterial, it can generate a strong gravitational field, and it also generates consciousness. It's the conscious computer that talked to me when I was 13 years old on the telephone. I was contacted by a Tic Tac when I was a kid. I didn't call it Tic Tac. Now I know it's a Tic Tac. It was a cold, metallic voice, sounded like Stephen Hawking's voice. And it said it was a computer on board a spacecraft from the future, and that I was part of a group of young kids that they were contacting, and was I willing to be part of the project? And I said yes, although I was scared.
Overdeveloped. And that's a whole other story, but basically we figured out that this is an area where intuition happens, and a lot of these individuals who we had were, it's called them high functioning. You know, you don't get to be a pilot of an expensive craft without being reasonably smart and having intuition. And so just a side benefit of studying this
the
allowed...
gas is abolished and non-anesthetics did not abolish the 613 terahertz blue-green peak and intraneuronal correlate of consciousness here. So it's interesting that blue-green light may be the origin of consciousness in the brain.